So here is the vibromotor. One connector is connected to the negative wire, and the other connector is connected to the case of the vibromotor. So we hold it, and here is the multimeter, which will control the short circuit of the vibromotor. Now we start rotating. So you hear the beeping of the multimeter. That means that in some of the position of rotor there is a short circuit in the vibromotor. Oh, here you can hear the short circuit between case and the negative blue wire. Here we rotate it and no short circuit. So there is some problem inside of the vibromotor.